What's up, amigos? Welcome to Distrito. Today I'm going to be unboxing this special package that I received from Octopus Technologies. Don't know what's in here, but I actually got this a while back, but I've been saving it for Christmas because today is Christmas and it's time to unbox this. So for those who saw my video that I uploaded a while back, I took a visit to Mexico City. I paid Octopus Technologies a visit. That's the first thing I did when I arrived over there. And after that trip, they were very generous to send me a package of, I don't know what's in here, but I've been holding on to it. This actually got here like a week or 2 weeks ago. Decided to open it up for a special occasion, and since Christmas was just around the corner, well, I'm doing this. So you can consider this my Christmas gift. So let's open this. If I could find something to open with it. Well, I'm always losing a box cutter when I open packages, man. Hold on, let me go find something. This will do. Wait, can you see me? Oh my god. Sorry about that. Oh, cool. This is, what do you say? Film. Film. But this is letter size, which is good because I have tabloid, and sometimes, for example, I'm about to do a print job and I need small prints and I don't release the whole tabloid, so this is gonna come in handy. Base glitter. Oh man. Got some glitter, silver, and gold. This is half kilo. It feels like a lot more. Oh, oh, this is pretty cool, man. Little keychain of squeegee. Yeah. Actually, when I was over in Mexico City, I was trying out the stores, and I see some of these around there, and I saw them, and I actually wanted to get one. So finally, I have one. Oh, cool. Aluminum squeegee. $70. Can try to figure out how to put this in here. And I believe this is foil. Foil. Oh, this is... So, Octopus, thank you. Now I have something to practice with. Okay, amigos. So, I'm going to switch a little Spanish here. If I could say thank you to Octopus Technologies. Quiero darles gracias a ustedes en Octopus Technologies por mandarme sus artículos. Me van a ayudar muchísimo. Me da gusto esto porque los de madera no me gustan y eso es más mejor. Así que estoy feliz que me mandaron esto. Y también de esto. Y ya que nunca he probado esto y me da muchas ganas de probar, intentar de hacer ese tipo de estampados. Será un buen para un video de cómo lo hago prendiendo. Está bien esto. No sé cómo lo hacer, pero voy a aprender. Okay, amigos. So, again, a big thanks to Octopus Technologies. And you guys help me how to find some videos on how to work with glitter and this foil, right? Yeah, I believe it's foil. So I can learn. I'm gonna be doing some future videos, testing these products out. You know, my whole learning process, because I never done this kind of prints, and I'm excited to give it a try to see how it comes out. It'll be a learning process. So I'm gonna try to figure out how to place the squeegee, I forgot what it's called again. I'm gonna try to figure out how to put this in here. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. Okay, if you guys know a faster way to do this, please let me know. Okay, about time. I think I got it. That took longer than I expected, man. Did that look good to you guys? Okay, so that's gonna be pretty much all for today's video. A short video. Again, a big thanks to Octopus Technologies for sending me these items. If you guys would do me a favor, go send them a like on their Facebook and on Instagram. I'll leave their links on the description below. And yeah, I gotta get back to work here because I actually I gotta set up some screens because I'm gonna be doing a print job. Should have been doing that right now, but shirts didn't come. I was playing that in the other video, which I'm about to film right now. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave in the comments below. You can also follow me on, on Facebook, Instagram. And Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. But in the meantime, amigos, I'll see you guys next time.